What's up friends? It's me Shivani Mehta again. We are gonna make dal 65 today, and of course you know that it's a famous dish of South India. So basically the dish name is chicken 65 and I have come up with a very interesting veg version of it, wherein I am going to make fritters from Toor dal and give tempering of Indian spices to it. And the most interesting part is we are going to serve this dal 65 along with pomegranate sorbet. So let's get started.
And it feels so right. Yeah, I've been through changes all of my life. Been under the weather on the edge of the night. And then there was changes all of my life. Started from zero with nothing behind. Feels so right. This feels so right. This world gets easier with reason and rhyme, and it feels so right. Yeah, I've been through changes